Okay, so we're going to take a look at three different streaming protocols, DCV, Remo, and Parsec. We're going to compare how they all perform at different network speeds. And the footage was recorded in 1440p, streamed at 60 frames per second target. So you should be able to see the changes in frame rate in the video. Starting off with the global median of around 70 megabits down, scrolling documents is not going to be a problem at this sort of a speed, nor is using a 3D application like Unreal Engine. Notice the smoke and the textures there look really nice. Same with a full HD YouTube video, it looks great. It's like a local machine. So let's take a step down to the global median for a mobile signal. If you're hotspotting, for example, documents look great. Same with Unreal Engine, it's basically the same performance there. Same on a full HD YouTube video. It's appropriate for all of those kind of use cases. So we're going to drop down to our recommended minimum, 10 megabits. Documents still not a problem, as you'd expect. Maybe a few artifacts in Unreal Engine, but otherwise, a really smooth streaming experience. And it's the same for the full HD video. So let's sort of introduce some issues. It's like a 5 megabit connection. Obviously, documents is going to be fine, that type of a use case. A noticeable drop in frame rate and artifacts here in Unreal Engine, and then a really noticeable drop in frame rate for a full HD YouTube video. So we're at the global median again of about 70 megabits down. Scrolling a document is going to look great. Yet again, Unreal Engine looking really nice. There's textures looking really crisp. The smoke looks good. And a full HD YouTube video like this one, you can see even when you're seeking there, it's like a local machine. Stepping down to the mobile median performance, still looking really nice and crisp in Unreal Engine. The animated textures and the regular textures look good. Full HD video, you can seek in the video. Looks great, like a local machine. So 10 megabits, our recommended minimum. It's still, altogether a good streaming experience. The full HD video looking good. Unreal Engine looking good. So let's just introduce a problem at 2 megabits. You'll see that this is essentially unusable at this point. So global median, about 70 megabits down. Scrolling documents looking really nice and responsive at this speed. Unreal Engine looking good, nice and responsive as we move props in the scene. And the full HD YouTube video you can see here scanning across really nicely. The 30 megabits, the mobile global performance, yet again, no issues in document. Unreal Engine is going to be really nice and responsive at this speed still. All of the textures look really nice and crisp. And then the video, as I seek here, really nice and responsive. Dropping down to our recommended minimum of 10 megabits. Documents still looking good. Unreal Engine still responsive. And the YouTube video, again, still going to be responsive, still going to look great. So we're going to introduce some problems at 5 megabits down now. You can see documents are still going to be fine, so it's okay for that use case, but there's going to be a really noticeable drop in performance in Unreal Engine and in the full HD YouTube video as well. Not great.